Hi. Hold on. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I had a better base, but I couldn't do it. I'm sorry. I lost my account. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. So I'm gonna be attacking a couple of people. And I'm trying. I can't talk. Okay, go for her. I have a lot of barbarians. It's because there was a challenge to get like 30 gems, but it already passed. So we're just gonna stick with them until I get rid of them. I can't even talk. Maybe I should turn the phone around. There we go. Yep. Okay. No, he didn't have any. Oh wait. Whoops. I don't want to waste my gold on this, so I don't want to just get it in. Oh, sorry if it's loud. I don't really know. I don't know if okay. I'll get back to you in a little bit. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, I am back. If you can see, right there, I got a couple of gems and I got some gold because I got more gems. Okay, let's go into battle. Oh, this is gonna be really good. Oh, that's a lot of gold. Yeah. What do I have? Just in case okay, I won the battle. We got everything. Get. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm saving this so whenever I really do need it, because right now I already have 203 gems. Okay, so I might have enough time to go for one more battle. I don't know, I'll be back. Okay, I didn't really need to say I'll be back, but I already said it. I already said that a lot in my videos. You know, I could have wasted my elixir on trying to get this thing. I think we have enough time to do one more battle. Okay. Oh, I should ask for troops. Oh, he has a lot of gold. episode so bad. I forgot to check. Well, I'll see you on the next video. Yay, bye-bye. Bye. I might do another video. Okay, bro. I might do one, but bye. In a little bit. Bye.